Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Lynn Mason-Pattnosh and you are here with ConciergeQ, and today we're going to be making traditional Irish soda bread. Two options, Kevin Dundon's modern Irish food. Can't wait to try the oatmeal next. Today we're going to be trying Katie Reilly's mix. All the ingredients and instructions are listed inside. First, stir together the contents of Katie's flour mixture into a large bowl. Stir in butter. In another bowl, mix buttermilk with an egg. Combine the two bowls. Remove dough from bowl and knead. Shape into round loaf and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Served buttered. It's so good. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lynn Mason-Pattnosh with ConciergeQ, and we'll see you next time. Happy St. Patrick's Day!